Okay, so let's review what a system of equations is. We learned it yesterday. A system simply means you're working with two linear equations. So instead of solving one equation at a time, we're solving two. Now, yesterday we learned that the solution to a system is the point where they intersect, but that doesn't always happen as we saw in our think about it. So parallel lines will have no solution because they don't intersect, right? If the point where they intersect is the solution, if lines never intersect, that means they don't have a solution. So that's if you're looking at the picture. If you're looking at the equation, you're going to know you've got parallel lines because they have the same slope, but they will have different y-intercepts. So parallel lines will have the exact same slope, just like in our think about it, but they're going to have different y-intercepts. Now, another possibility, the last possibility, is that you're going to have the same line. So if you graph one line and then you graph the second line right on top of it, that means you have infinite solutions. The lines intersect everywhere. Every single point is a solution. So the equation is going to have the same slope and the same y-intercept. They are exactly the same line. And this is just a reminder that x lines are vertical. So this is the line x equals 3. You go to 3 on the x-axis, then you draw a vertical line. Y lines will be horizontal. So this is the line y equals 2. You go to 2 on the y-axis, and then you draw a horizontal line. Just a reminder for you. And then finally, our conjecture today is the idea of how many solutions will a system have? Well, there's three possibilities. You can have one solution if the lines intersect, right? You can have no solution if the lines are parallel, or you can have infinitely many solutions. So if the lines are the same, there will be infinite solutions.